Hey guys, it's Miss Leslie. I'm back again with another video for you guys. This time I decided to do a cooking video just to show you a quick, simple, easy Mexican style dish that you can make. It only needs a few ingredients for the main dish, and then of course you can add whatever you want at the end. But this is kind of more of a healthy alternative, do it yourself at home Mexican style type food. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. All right guys, so here are the ingredients for the dish I'm going to be making for myself. I have a 3-pound pack of ground turkey. Now I like to do more of a meal prep style, that way I'm not having to cook every night. So this will last me for quite a few meals. And I love ground turkey over ground beef because you have that lower fat in it. It has kind of a higher protein, and it's just better for you than the ground beef. So if you can ever find this, or if you want to try it, I recommend it. Now when I went to the store, of course all the ground beef was gone, but of course the ground turkey wasn't, because it is more healthy. So I'm using ground turkey. I have a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, because since this is going to be a Mexican style dish, that way it gives a little bit of spice to it. I have a can of whole black beans. And then I actually love hominy. A lot of people probably have never heard of it, but it's really good, and it's just gonna add a little extra content to this. And then I have a pack of mild taco seasoning to add the flavor. And then my olive oil to cook it all in. And then I have kind of my bigger dish, because since I am doing 3 pounds of meat and all my canned items, I want to make sure I have plenty of room to cook everything. So this is what I'm going to be using. All right, let's get started on the cooking process. All right, while my meat mixture with my ground turkey, black beans, tomatoes, and hominy finishes cooking, I just wanted to show you Some other things I'm going to be adding to it before I show you the finished product. So I have some tortillas. Now, these are better than just your regular white tortillas. These are made from whole grains, which if your kids have been in the NEAT program with us, they know that this is better to have the whole grains. Anything whole grains, whole wheat is much better than white. And these are great because if you can actually see, it's got 4 grams of fiber. You want something that has that higher fiber content. It helps you with your digestion. I have just some shredded iceberg lettuce. I have my Mexican style blend of cheese. And yes, I got the huge bag because I wasn't trying to have to go back to the store. I have some taco ranch. I have some light sour cream. This is going to be better than your regular because it does have 50% less fat than your regular sour cream. I have my tomatillo sauce, which I love. You can use any kind of salsa. And then I have some chips. So you can make yourself a wrap. Tacos, you can do like a nacho plate, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So these are just some things I'm adding to it. Of course, with a dish like this, you can make it your own any way you like. So when you see me again, I will have my finished plate ready to eat. All right, guys, here's my plate all done and ready to eat. I ended up going with more of a nacho style plate. So I have my chips as the base, my meat mixture, some lettuce, cheese, my tomatillo sauce, and some sour cream on top. And I cannot wait to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun cooking recipe with me, and I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.